How to turn on autofill passwords on iPhone. So if you want your iPhone to automatically suggest your password, passkey, or verification code while filling online forms or when you want to sign into a website or app on your phone, then this video is going to walk you through how you can authorize this feature on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on autofill passwords on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, scroll down and click on apps. On the apps page, you want to scroll down until you get to passwords. So it's a new feature on iOS 18. So if you're not using iOS 18, you might not see this feature on the password apps. So go ahead and click on passwords. Then scroll down the page as well. There's a feature called view autofill settings. So go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, hang on while the autofill and password settings page opens. Then if you see autofill password and passkey, automatically suggests passwords, passkey, and verification code with signing in when signing in to apps and website. Then go ahead and turn this on. Once you turn that on, then it should see where you want your autofill forms to pop. If you want it to only pop on password, just turn this on. If you want it to use third-party app like Chrome, Firefox, Google, or whatever it is here, just go ahead and turn on all of this. And once that is done, then you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn on or enable autofill passwords on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.